I wanted to know what your opinion about the value of game jams was for you. What things would you say that were super valuable, or that you would like actually to other people to know about game jams, in terms of like what should they be taking away from being at a game jam?
Yeah, I mentioned this in the Global Game Jam keynote, and it's about just knowing how much where your limit is in terms of what you can do and what you can handle. And the biggest thing is learning what you like and what you don't like in terms of the collaboration
Yeah.
and understanding communicative skills and soft skills, social skills, and things like that too, because things can fall apart and things can become they can get confusing if it's not clear.
Right.
So I think that's very important to mention because it's people go in and they're like, we're gonna make this game. But then if the communication isn't clear, then scope creep happens, which is thinking that you want to build more than what you can within a certain amount of time. And that's why I said learning your limits, learning what you can do.
Yep.
If you think that you want to learn a specific software, take the opportunity to do so, especially this is your opportunity to do so if you're not
Yeah.
conducive with other free time that you may have. And I think it's very important. And then always just be happy knowing that you tried it and that you did it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be the best game on the planet. Don't go in with high expectations. Just go in to have fun.